Picture this. You made a few $1,000s trading crypto last year. You didn't think that much of it, so you filed your taxes without reporting it. Fast forward to today, you open your mailbox and there's a letter from the IRS. They know about your trades. Now you're facing penalties, interest charges, and potentially an audit. Remember, not reporting cryptocurrency on your taxes is considered tax evasion. And starting in 2026, major exchanges will be required to report your capital gains and losses directly to the IRS using Form 1099-DA. So if you're not proactive about reporting your taxes, the consequences could be scary. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what happens if you don't report crypto on your taxes and show you a 3-step process for fixing past mistakes. Stay tuned, you're watching CoinLedger. What happens if I don't report my crypto taxes? Let's start with the consequences. Not reporting taxable income from cryptocurrency is tax evasion. Potential penalties include fines as high as $100,000 and a prison sentence up to 5 years. Some people think they can hide crypto transactions because they're using anonymous wallets. But here's what you need to know. Transactions on blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are publicly visible. The IRS works with blockchain analytics firms like Chainalysis to track down anonymous wallets. If you transferred crypto from an exchange that collects know your customer information, they can identify you. And the IRS is about to have more information in their hands than ever. As noted earlier, major exchanges in the United States will be required to issue Form 1099-DA to report your capital gains and losses starting in 2026. This will apply to exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Robinhood, and more. So to sum things up, the IRS knows about your taxable income. If you don't report, you're taking a serious risk. How to file an amendment in 3 steps. So what should you do if you forgot to report crypto in previous years? Well, first, don't panic. You can file an amended tax return. The IRS is generally more lenient towards taxpayers who come forward on their own about unreported income. You have 3 years from the date you filed your tax return to submit an amendment. Here's how it works. Step 1, calculate your tax liability. The first thing you need to do is figure out your gains, losses, and income from crypto from the year you're amending. To do this, you'll need complete records from all of your wallets and exchanges. These records should include the date you bought and sold your crypto, the price of your crypto at receipt and at disposal. But here's where it gets tricky. If you traded across multiple platforms, moved assets between wallets, or made more than a few dozen transactions, calculating everything manually becomes extremely time-consuming and difficult. If you want to save time, CoinLedger can help. You can automatically import your transactions from over 800 wallets and exchanges for free and generate complete tax reports in minutes. Step 2, complete Form 1040X. Once you know your tax liability, download Form 1040X from the IRS website. This is the amended U.S. individual income tax return. The form comes with easy to follow instructions. You'll provide your personal information, explain what's changing about your tax return, and include your corrected income for the year. Step 3, mail or e-file your amended return. After completing the form, you can either mail it to the IRS or submit it electronically. Make sure you attach all necessary supporting documents, including your corrected Schedule D and Form 8949 showing your crypto transactions. If your amendment results in a higher tax bill, include your additional payment with the return. The IRS typically takes 8 to 12 weeks to process amendments. You can check the status using the IRS's Where's My Amended Return tool on their website. So to sum things up, not reporting cryptocurrency is tax evasion, and the IRS is getting better at tracking unreported transactions every year. If you forgot to report crypto in a past year, file an amended return as soon as possible. If you need help calculating your crypto taxes, you can create a CoinLedger account completely for free. There's no payment required until you're ready to fully download your tax reports. The link's in the description. If you want to stay updated on the latest crypto tax news, subscribe to this channel. We break down every major update the second it happens. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm David Kemmerer.